Hi, everybody. I'm Ross McLaughlin, and I'm the head of IB Economics here at Vision Village. I want to take a moment to talk to you about a new feature that we're excited to launch, which is the Internal Assessment Bootcamp. There'll be more to come later, but for now, you can find this guide, which will help you take an internal assessment commentary from the article to a finished product. These steps to writing a commentary are designed to help you understand each of the assessment criteria and produce a high scoring commentary. Students can struggle to understand how to earn top marks, so there is particular emphasis on avoiding the common mistakes that moderators see. By going through the provided materials, you will understand what it takes to produce a commentary that is tailored to the chosen article and key concept. And you will know exactly how to make logical arguments to show your understanding of economic theory. Inside of each, you will find written and video explanations that help you understand exactly what each criteria means. Importantly, the steps to writing a commentary includes a place for you to practice these skills so you can be ready to apply them effectively to your own commentaries. I'm excited for you to use these materials, and I hope you find them helpful in writing your commentaries.